Okay, in this scenario, we're starting out with 30 weeds, and in 2 days, we have 50 weeds, and they're growing exponentially. Notice that we do not have the rate, so we have to use this information to calculate the rate. Before we can figure out when we're going to have 1,000, I need to know the rate at which they're growing. So where do these numbers go? The 30, the 50, and the 2 all need to go in here. So 30 is our start number, so that's P. Okay, 50 is our ending number, so this is here. Okay, and then we don't know the rate, but we do know that this happened in just 2 days. If it makes it easier for you, you can rewrite it 30 e to the rt equals 50. If you write your 50 over on the other side, that works just as well. All right, let's divide by 30. E to the 2r equals, I'm just going to leave this as 5/3. Natural log both sides. 2r equals the natural log of 5/3. Divide by 2. And r equals, I already put this in my calculator, and I got 0.2554. It's increasing at over 25.5% per day. This is a daily rate because the time was in days. So now the question is, how long is it going to take for me to have 1,000? So let's look at this. If I want to know how long it's going to take for me to have 1,000, right? I still started out with 30, right? E, and now we know the rate, 0.2554. What I don't know now is the time that it takes to get to 1,000. So this is slightly different than what we were doing before, where we were just plugging in time. So I know I'm starting out with 30, I'm ending up with 1,000, and I know the rate we need to solve for time. Now the calculations are so similar. And this is just 100 over 3. I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, natural log both sides. Okay, divide both sides by 0.2554. And you put it in the calculator, and the time was approximately 13.73. So in 2 weeks about, right? That's almost 14 days. So in about 2 weeks, I'm going to have gone from having 30 weeds to 1,000 weeds. Right? But the big ideas here, guys, is that it did not give us the rate, and we just needed to use the original numbers that we had to calculate the rate. Then once we have the rate, we can find lots of other information.